problématique de la sécheresse, mais aussi la famille de la Croix-Rouge qui était là pour répondre aux besoins des personnes dans la région.
As we deeply mourn with the people of Libya following the heavy rains and flash floods, which have resulted in more than 11,000 deaths and destruction of property, we thank the Red Crescent Society for being there for the vulnerable families caught up in that tragedy, which has been linked to climate change.
Nous pensons aux familles qui sont affectées en Libye par les inondations et en ce moment nous prenons aussi l'occasion pour remercier la Croix-Rouge de la Libye pour souvenir aux besoins des personnes affectées et la famille de la Croix-Rouge pour votre travail pour aider ces familles.
As Kenya and the continent focus on building resilience structures alongside climate action, collaboration between state and non-state actors remains crucial in synchronizing sustainable strategic investments.
Comme le pays, le gouvernement de Kenya se focalise sur renforcement de la résilience des communautés contre les problématiques du changement climatique, les partenariats sont très importants pour nous aider à pouvoir avoir des réponses stratégiques.
High impact investments require resources. However, in recent years, external funding has been dwindling due to, among other factors, donor fatigue. That is why Africa must match every coin of the partners and other actors to speed up development.
Les réponses aux problématiques stratégiques et les réponses d'impact nécessitent beaucoup de ressources, mais nous savons qu'il n'y a pas suffisamment de ressources, les ressources continuent à diminuer. C'est pourquoi le gouvernement de Kenya cherche aussi à mobiliser les fonds au niveau domestique pour contribuer à ça.
The national, regional and international development blueprints must make meaning if Africa Rising is about leaving no one behind in the Africa we want through transformative socio-economic advancement.
That one is very difficult.
Something close to that. Doesn't have to be exact.
Afin de pouvoir avoir de l'impact, nous devons mettre des stratégies impactful.
Don't worry. In the meantime, I also encourage the Red Cross and the Red Crescent Society to increase investment in alternative revenue sources. The Boma International Hospitality College, a leading trainer in hospitality on the continent, is testimony of what investment in alternative revenue sources can do.
Entre-temps, nous ne pouvons pas rester là dans ce problématique de manque de ressources et je vous encourage tous à nous focaliser sur la mobilisation de fonds à travers les différentes stratégies. Et l'exemple de Boma International, Boma Pan-African est un bon exemple d'efforts pour l'autosuffisance et nous devons suivre tels exemples.
Such projects guarantee sustained support to states and other agencies in times of crisis. There is no dignity in constantly begging for donor aid.
De tels efforts sont très importants parce qu'ils viennent couvrir les besoins et comme ça ce n'est pas nécessaire d'aller demander de l'aide extérieure mais de chercher nous-mêmes à avoir nos ressources pour subvenir aux problématiques que nous expérimentons comme pays.
As we celebrate over 150 years of experience of the Red Cross and the Red Crescent Society, we seek to enhance our partnership, particularly in strengthening the capacity of our agencies, like the National Disaster Management Authority and sister agencies across the continent.
Comme nous célébrons, nous apprécions 150 ans de la famille Croix-Rouge, Croissant-Rouge, nous cherchons aussi à renforcer les capacités des agents nationaux, mais aussi des agents du gouvernement, tels que le Centre de réponse au désastre national au Kenya.
In our march against climate change, we cannot afford to lose lives, we cannot afford to lose livelihoods. In improved technology, we have an opportunity to work together in better early warning systems of consolidated and effective action.
Dans notre combat contre le changement climatique et les impacts négatifs de changement climatique, nous devons utiliser la technologie et d'autres innovations pour pouvoir résoudre ces problèmes qui sont posés par le changement climatique.
For instance, in our country and across Africa and the world, predictions indicate that we may experience El Nino rains between September and January 2024. We invite you to work with us as we set up and implement measures to prevent possible tragedies.
Les prévisions climatiques dans le pays et aussi dans la région nous indiquent que nous allons avoir les El Nino entre le mois de septembre et le mois de janvier. Et donc, nous vous invitons à travailler avec nous pour préparer des actions, les actions nécessaires pour pouvoir aider les communautés.
In that regard, next week I'll be convening the National Emergency Response Committee that I chair, with all government agencies, development partners, the Red Cross, international organizations, and all other stakeholders to discuss our preparedness for the expected El Nino rains.
Sur la question de El Nino, la semaine prochaine, je vais appeler un comité qui aura toutes les unités du gouvernement, qui aura les partenaires comme la Croix-Rouge et les autres partenaires internationaux pour pouvoir nous préparer la réponse à El Nino.
In the long term, we are working on public-private partnership in building water harvesting structures, including dams across the country. This will help us take advantage of such large amounts of water for food production.
Nous allons aussi travailler avec le secteur privé pour développer les mécanismes ou les stratégies de, je ne sais pas comment dire, water harvesting, Adija, de recueillement d'eau
for food production.
Collecte d'eau, voilà. Merci, Yasmine.
On this note, as I conclude, I wish to thank the Red Cross and the Red Crescent Society for the millions of lives they have touched over the years.
En conclusion, je tiens à remercier la famille de la Croix-Rouge et du Croissant-Rouge pour les millions de vies que vous avez sauvées grâce à votre travail dans le continent, dans le monde.
We look forward to working closely in building sustainable societies beyond disasters.
Continuons à travailler ensemble pour avoir des approches et des stratégies de durabilité contre les désastres.
And what you do is a calling for humanity. Nobody can pay you. Nobody can compensate you in a commensurate manner.
Et ce que vous faites comme Croix-Rouge, ce n'est pas un travail, c'est de l'humanité et nous ne pouvons pas vous payer, nous ne pouvons pas vous remercier plus. Ce que vous faites est très apprécié de tous. Merci beaucoup.
As I conclude, the Nairobi National Park is a few kilometers from the city. In fact, a few meters from here.
Et vous
I encourage our guests to experience the magical Kenya.
Et vous savez, le parc national, parc animal national est juste à côté. Et donc, je vous encourage tous à aller visiter. C'est juste à côté. Il faut y aller pour apprécier le parc du pays Kenya.
But don't touch the lions, they are not pets.
Mais ne touchez pas aux lions.
You know, people sometimes, I'm sorry that I have overworked you, and probably you had been slotted to translate for the others, and your payment was just for that job. So in case this was not included, I've just come from abroad with a few dollars and such like. I was in Colombia marketing Kenyan coffee and the Kenyan tourism destination. And as I was talking about the animals in this country, I talked about all the animals. But you know, when you go to Europe, you don't become an European. When you go to America, you don't become an American. Some of us, when we are speaking, we think in our mother tongue, then we translate. So in Kenya, the Kikuyu nation where I come from, the leopard and the tiger are one and the same. So when I was talking about the tiger, I saw some critics here asking who is the tiger. I am telling them the tiger and the leopard from the Kikuyu nation where I come from, because I'm not an European, they are one and the same. So you are invited to see our leopard stroke tiger in our national park. Finally, as I conclude, on a light note, what you good people are doing and what I'm doing is good and is fine. Having response to deal with natural disasters is a calling and God's work. But dealing with man-made disasters is not fair. We deal with two types of problems in this continent: natural calamities, drought, famine, floods, and all. But we also deal with man-made disasters out of armed conflict in Africa. We're asking our brothers and sisters in the African continent to spare us from having to deal with the disasters and emergencies arising out of armed conflict as they fight for leadership and scarce resources.
Your Excellency, do you permit me?
Yeah, please.
Before I forget.
Okay, you want to say something?
I need to translate that before I forget. En résumé, le vice-président dit que c'est très difficile de traiter les désastres tous les jours. Nous savons que nous avons les désastres naturels, par exemple la sécheresse, les inondations, etc. Mais ici, dans notre continent d'Afrique, nous allons affaire aux désastres liés aux conflits, mais les conflits qui sont parce que les hommes, les êtres humains sont en train de se battre, de se combattre pour le pouvoir, pour la politique. Et donc c'est quelque chose que nous devons arrêter.
I think this lady must have some Kikuyu blood in her. The minute I said I can pay her for her service, she wants to continue and continue. She's a good businesswoman. So that is why my boss, President William Ruto, is very keen on peace in Southern Sudan, in Sudan, Ethiopia, DRC, across the whole of Africa, because any insecurity, any conflict in our neighboring countries becomes a problem to our republic. That is why we have refugee camps in Dadaab, in Kakuma, everywhere, and it becomes a burden to this country in terms of resources and even destabilizes our own security.
Le président du pays kényan et le gouvernement de Kenya est très intéressé à traiter ou à arrêter les questions de conflit, les questions d'insécurité dans la sous-région, dans les pays voisinages comme le Sud-Soudan, le Soudan, l'Éthiopie, la Somalie, la RDC, parce que avec ces problèmes d'insécurité, des problèmes de conflit, ça pose aussi des problèmes dans les autres pays, par exemple ici au Kenya. Voilà pourquoi nous avons les réfugiés, nous avons les camps de réfugiés à Dadaab, à Kakuma, et ce sont des problèmes qu'il faut traiter pour la survie des êtres humains ici.
The armed conflict in Sudan has greatly affected our exports of tea to Sudan and affected many Kenyans who are working in Sudan who have come back home. I call upon our brothers in Sudan, the generals, to lay down arms, enter into peaceful negotiations, and find a peaceful solution to whatever problems they have in Sudan.
Le conflit armé au Soudan continue à impacter de façon négative les pays voisinages, le Kenya par exemple. Nos exportations de thé, les exportations de café ont été affectées, mais aussi les Kenyans qui travaillent dans la région, qui travaillent au Soudan ont été affectés, et d'autres pays aussi. Voilà pourquoi le gouvernement de Kenya fait appel aux personnes qui sont en train de se battre, d'arrêter et de chercher les solutions, les stratégies de paix pour donner fin au conflit.
We do the same to the Democratic Republic of Congo, where we have had to send our soldiers to try to help the people of DRC to maintain peace. We call again all the armed combatants to give peace and dialogue a chance for the sake of their citizens and for the sake of peace, not just in their country, but in the region.
On fait le même appel aux personnes dans la RDC pour arrêter le conflit, arrêter de se battre et chercher le dialogue pour avoir de la paix, pour que les citoyens puissent avoir une vie normale.
With those very many remarks, I want to say I'm very honored and privileged to meet good people, because few people are good people. Many people will not do what you do. They'll ask for huge amounts of money. Yours is a great sacrifice, and I really have enjoyed working with the Red Cross. I look forward to working with you in combating the negative effects of climate change, in dealing with the possible adverse effects of El Nino. But I hope we shall not work together to deal with human man-made crisis. I pray we shall not have that opportunity.
Je suis très honorée d'être ici parmi vous. Je suis très contente de passer la soirée avec vous. Vous êtes de très bonnes personnes et le travail que vous faites comme la Croix-Rouge est très très apprécié. J'espère pouvoir continuer à travailler avec vous pour aider l'humanité, mais je ne voudrais pas travailler sur les questions de conflit parce que c'est une chose que nous devons arrêter. Nous voulons travailler sur les calamités naturelles comme le El Nino, mais nous devons arrêter les conflits et les problèmes grâce à l'homme.
I think I want to be fair to this gathering to allow you to enjoy the African cuisine that we were promised. And I can see the people in red half coats ready. And I think continuing to speak more, I could annoy a few people, and I don't want to do that because you are here to have dinner, not to listen to 2-minute speeches. But I needed to say that, and I want to thank you for listening to me. And I really want to say thank you very much for what you are doing for mankind, for what you are doing for humanity. God will pay you one day. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. We request you with the kind permission, Your Excellency, that you remain on stage kindly. Let's appreciate His Excellency. Kindly, ladies and gentlemen, tumpigie makofi tafadhali. Asanteni sana. Merci, Your Excellency. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. It's now time for gifting. These people have really felt that you've taken your time to grace this occasion. And now, Your Excellency, allow me to invite on stage to join you the CEO Boma Pan-Africa, Dr. Abbas Gullet, together with the Kenya Red Cross Secretary General, Dr. Idris Ahmed, who are going to gift you, Your Excellency. There are two gifts. One gift is by the Kenya Red Cross Society, and the other one is by the Boma International Hospitality College, Your Excellency. Dr. take it up.
Your Excellency, this is the elephant, but this is the Red Cross elephant. A story is told of 4 blind men. Each one was asked to touch the elephant and describe the elephant. The one who touched the leg described the elephant as round and firm because he only touched the leg. That is the Red Cross. We are very firm when it comes to dealing with emergencies and supporting communities. The one who touched the belly described it as big and round That is the Red Cross. We are big in every part of this globe. The one who touched the ear described it as soft and tender. That is the Red Cross. We are soft, tender to people at risk. Your Excellency, I present to you the Red Cross elephant.
Let's appreciate them, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Daktari, the next gift kindly.
Yes, let's to Aisha to give Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, we are reminded of the late President Daniel Toroitich arap Moi. He said, a leader must have foresight like the giraffe. This is what we are hoping that you will have in providing leadership for us. Foresight, uone mbali sana. Asante sana, Your Excellency.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali ya mwisho. Asante sana, Your Excellency. And right now, this great team is saying that dinner is now served. And we invite Daktari to take you over where we are going to serve the dinner. Ladies and gentlemen, the rest requested to hold on a little bit and allow His Excellency and the delegation that is sitting with him on that table to serve first. Thereafter, we are going to join in a very organized manner. Table after